We're in the middle of a heat wave. It's hot. It was incredibly hot. I need something frozen. I need something heroic. I need something out of my Margaritaville Bahamas frozen concoction maker. Let's do it. First of all, we love this concoction maker. This thing is awesome for making slushies for the kids, for making super fun drinks for the adults, iced cappuccinos, all kinds of stuff. Now, because it's so hot right now, I just need something cold, refreshing, and I dug around in the fridge and I found half a bottle of some Riesling here. I also got some Grenadine, so let's play around with that. So in the pitcher here, we're going to go ahead with this Riesling. We're going to add, you guessed it, the entire thing, which, wow, I nailed it. 375 mils. That is exactly half a bottle of wine. Here we go. Let's grab some ice. And in the top of the Margaritaville, I'm going to put about that much ice. I don't think we'll need much more than that. Now, because I'm not really running a full load on this, I'm not going to use the automatic maker here. I'm just going to use the manual, the shave, and the blend with the toggle switch here. So let's have at it. Okay, let's take a little peek here and see. Ooh. Okay, so I want this to have just a little bit more slushiness to it, so I added just a small handful of ice there still. Beautiful. All right, Grenadine, let's grab a glass. I'm adding the Grenadine here just for a little color and for some sweetness. I could have added it right to the pitcher right off the bat. However, I thought this might actually look a little bit cooler. Just got that Grenadine in the bottom there. It's just over a tablespoon. Ooh, there we go. Look at that, nice and pink. Got a little pink straw there just so it could be extra cute. Ooh, that's really nice. It has all those sort of light fruit flavors of the Riesling in there. Just a little tiny bit of sweetness from that Grenadine, just to make it super palatable going along with all of that nice shaven ice in there. So super delicious. I'm gonna call it a Frozy Rosy Riesling, and I'm gonna go back outside and see if we can beat the heat. So savior of the day, going to be the Margaritaville Bahamas frozen concoction maker. So until next time, keep the heat at 11.